video about the background videos and why this thing is taking long. So I have to do some little works and little diggings. So if you can't find a video, or find, if you want to use it for YouTube, you can go directly for this and use the YouTube size. But if you want to use it for TikTok, we have to use the TikTok size. So we are going to edit our videos. You have to use any video editing software. CapCut is okay, but it's not free. So I'm going to use what I have on my video. I call it a shortcuts. I call it shortcuts, and it's totally free. So I'm still running this thing. Maybe before I finish my video, it will have already been done. So we can go to using our first video. So let's go with it. And don't forget to always save your workflow, because sometimes if your system reload, you have to start again. Where are we now? This is what gave us something yesterday. I don't think that we can even do it here. I want to check something. Dimension. Can we change? Can we change the dimension here? I want to check something. No. Okay, we can't change. I don't think we can change the display size. I don't think so. So here is the shortcut app. It's not responding. That is why I prefer CapCut sometimes. Okay. So yeah, this is what we are going to do. Open file to drop our video from our video folder. Creative Commons, open it here, and we have it there. Just leave it, don't do anything. As you can see, here is it. Just click on, we're not going to convert anything. Okay, this is the aspect ratio. So let's change the aspect ratio and see what will happen here. 9 to 16. So I don't like it. It's not that stretched. Let us check it. See how it looks like. I don't like it like this. So increase the speed is small. I think there's a way you can actually add something to it. So I don't actually like this. I don't actually like how it looks like. I haven't used this thing in a while, so let's just go there. I prefer using CapCut, but this is free. So let's remove this. I'm going to put this one on this timeline. Now we have this on timeline. So let us change the size of this if we can. I haven't used this software to change anything before. And I don't think I know how to do it, guys. So let's go to 50%. The thing is to change our layouts. Let's see, 9 by 16. As you can see, here is how it looks like. But if we were to use CapCut, it's going to actually stretch. Okay, so let's try CapCut and see how it works. So just make sure you resize it to a TikTok size, and we're done. Okay, I think it's done. Let us check it. Let us check this out. So if this code is done, that means we don't need whatever we are doing before. Let's play it now. So I'm 25F, work at a small coffee shop. So we are still having the same results. So just resize it, upload it, and replace the code. So that's it for now, and have a nice day.